Hey, I'm Melissa Cookston, and today we're gonna be cooking up some mussels, one of my favorite dishes. And always be prepared, just in case you spill your wine, have a good vintage of backup, right? All right. So, you wanna make sure that you discard any mussels that are already open. Just get that little fella right on out of here. Then, you wanna make sure you clean your mussels well, remove any beards that are stuck in there, these little furry things stuck on the end, and wash them really well to get rid of any grit, any dirt that are left on the mussels. I've got my grill preheated to 400 degrees. I've got my pan already in there, nice and hot. So we're gonna start by melting some butter. We're gonna add to that some onion. And some garlic. We're gonna cook that for 2 to 3 minutes just to give it time to get nice and translucent and aromatic. Doesn't it smell good when it's cooking? Now we're going to add our wine. As well as our chicken stock. I'm gonna let that heat up. All right, so it is time to add our herbs and our mussels. So I have some parsley and some basil. And I'm gonna add these mussels. I'm gonna close the grill, and that way I can get all this great charcoal grill flavor to these mussels. I really like cooking all seafood, fish, outdoors, so I'm not making a mess and smelling up my kitchen, but also to impart this great grill flavor, and it just makes it taste so much better. So I'm gonna cook these until the mussels open up, and that lets me know that they're done. So while these mussels are finishing on the grill, I'm going to butter some bread so I can grill the bread as well. These mussels are opening up nicely. So the mussels, I can really smell those aromatics from the herbs, and the garlic and the onions. Smells heavenly. So they are opened up, they are ready. The bread is finishing on the grill. This has taken about, I'd say 15 minutes to complete this entire meal. So it's very quick, very easy, and it will taste heavenly. Now I'm gonna remove these mussels, and then I'm gonna show you the proper way to eat a mussel. All right, so the mussels are done. And the bread is done. And that's taken about 15 minutes. So very quick and easy dinner. We're just gonna transfer those to a nice big bowl. All right. Now, the proper way to eat a mussel, this one's nice and open. So you take one that's open nicely and you use it to pinch the meat of another. That is so good. I really taste the nice charcoal flavor in that, but the onions and the garlic and the herbs really bring out the freshness of the mussels. Now, you take a little bit of bread and dip in the broth, because that's the really good part too. I don't know if I'm gonna invite any friends over for this, but you must try this recipe. It is so good. Cheers.